I want to show you how setup goes with the Wyze Cam. It's a 1080p, full gimbal rotation camera. It's really kind of cool. The specs are the 360 and 93 degree pan tilt range. Here are the quick overview pieces. You can see it does 110 degrees in a second, so it's pretty fast. Here is the camera. And it looks like, here's the instruction sheet if you need that handy. You got some status lights over there. And then, here are the parts. So on the front, you can see that's what we're looking at. You got a lens, a status light, and a light sensor. So this is the light sensor right there. How easy is this to set up? So a USB port, and then a tiny power input. You can see that you got a tiny power input. Oops, the camera's hard. And the only thing I've done in advance is taking the thing out of the box. Oh, on the bottom, this is important. You can see there's an SD card slot. SD card is not included. Setup button and a microphone. So, they say on the quick start guide, let's see how quick it is. Download the app. I did. I created an account that was fast. And then connect the camera to a power outlet. We have 15 seconds for the yellow status light to flash. All right. Oh, comes with a power block, USB cord. All right, connected. Will the status light flash? Oh, it's yellow. All right. While we're waiting here, oh, made a little click. Look at that. It's possessed. I love it. All right, that is a flashing yellow status light. Press the setup button on the bottom, 3 seconds until you hear a voice prompt.
Ready to connect.
There you go. And now let's follow the Wyze app. So, new device. I got the Wyze Cam Pan. Took off the plastic film, check.
Ready to connect.
And connect your phone to your 2.4 gig Wi-Fi network. Connect the camera to a power outlet and press the setup button. Did it. Okay, next. Well, you can't see that.
Ready to connect.
I know, I'm getting there. We're almost done. All right, scan your QR code with your Wyze Cam.
Ready to connect.
Oh.
QR code scanned. Please
Oh, that was super cool. I heard QR code scan. Please wait. All right, connecting. So I think that was actually the hardest.
Setup completed.
Yep, and then my first alert says, hey, this thing has accessed your network and your device name. Let's call it the Wyze Pan Tilt. Use the name I gave it. I don't know if you can see that. Wyze Pan Tilt. And I think let's check for our light. The status light is blue. Blue means it is working properly. So here we go. Check this out. Set video quality to HD, higher quality, or SD for higher speed. Turn on or off the sound and hold to speak. Okay. Record a video to your mobile device. View videos and photos in the album. You see it looking at me? Pinch to zoom. And this is the live stream. And there you have it. We are live. This is the first time I've ever set one of these up. Now you know that my camera stand is a paper towel roll. That's really something else. Now let's see if it'll... Wow, super fast. Alright. That's awesome. So how easy is the Wyze Cam to set up? View playback. Oh, there's no SD card. There you go. And then take a photo. Saved album. Neat. This is awesome. So you can do motion tracking, motion tagging, time-lapse album. This is really, really a cool camera. There it is. Absolutely tracking motion. All right. So this is the real setup. What does it take to set up the Wyze Cam? And is it easy? The answer is absolutely. The hardest part was figuring out to turn my phone around to face the Wyze Cam to scan the QR code. So Wyze, that's awesome. Sure enough. Yep. Reach the end. That's kind of cool. It tells you you've reached the end. And then we go all the way down. And then again, you've reached the end. Reach the end. And this is cool. That's so fun. Anyways, so go sideways and you can see there's all the controls, sideways, big picture. So this is a hit. Is it easy to set up? Absolutely. Does it rotate quickly? Yes. Does it pan and tilt just fine? It sure does. Goes up, goes down. This is really a neat. Check this out. I mean, that's fast. Let's see if we can do this, and you can see the lens. I mean, that moves. You can speak. Hello?
Hello?
All right, we're a little too close to it for all that, but it works. And then you can record, take photo, and I want to see. This motion tracking thing was really cool. Wow, did you see that? It followed me. Awesome. That is a hit. By the way, that was running in SD mode, so it's faster. I sure don't need any more resolution than that. I just want to see what's going on. Yeah. Boy, if you're still hanging in on the end, you're a trooper. So, Wyze Cam. Motion tracking's working. It's very cool. Face off. All right. Thanks for watching. This is Dave. I'll see you next time.